with just by changing your thoughts. All right, in today's video, I want to share with you things you can do, right, on daily basis to ease the pain or completely restore the health and the harmony of your body by just switching your thoughts and feeling something differently every day. All disease and the pain in our body are caused by our negative thinking pattern, right? If you can trace back the injury you experienced or that happened in your body, those are thoughts that caused that instant, right? And you didn't pay attention to what you were doing, right? That caused the injury, or you were influenced by other people's stories, right? They're just where this energy feel, right? We get inputs from others, from a news all the time, right? So what causes our pain, especially chronic pain, is what the attention that we pay to it every day, right? The thoughts we think about the pain, right? We think is the pain that make us think about that particular pain every day, but it's actually the other way around, right? As you wake up every day, you keep telling yourself, oh, I feel painful, my body hurts, right? If I do this, my body hurts, right? That's what things, stories usually we tell ourselves every day, right? Also, that's what I've been hearing from other people when I talk to them, right? When I was teaching yoga in public, they came to me, oh, this is how my body hurts, right? This is what happened to my body, right? They just keep repeating the same story, drum the same, play the same song, record, in their mind, right? And of course, you feel the pain every day. So number one thing we must do, right, to restore the health and harmony of our body is stop talking about it, right? That was a decision I made when I had a shoulder injury. I decided I want to just feel better. Stop telling everyone what happened to my body, right? And then that just instantly brought some ease and a release to my pain. Hi, once you stop telling the old story and you want to make a decision to feel better, right? To have a complete pain-free body, and put this on top of your list, right, or to-do list, and you want to prioritize feeling better every day. And the number 3 is to have a mindful practice or mindfulness practice, right? In the morning, I would recommend to have a mindful practice first thing in the morning, right? You can start your day with meditation. You can make it standing, and if you cannot sit, right, you can start it with a gentle breathing or deep breathing if your body allows it. And you can do some gentle stretching, gentle yoga or mindful movements, right? Why I call it mindful movements, right? You move along with your breath. And then you just say some words, right, to your body or to yourself. Use affirmations and imagination in your meditation. Right, so I'm going to include some affirmations at the end of this video. And then you also can use imagination, right? You can bring the version of yourself that was healthy, that was pain-free, right, to the present moment, to your meditation every day, right? This practice doesn't have to be long. People, often tell me, I don't have time to meditate. It only takes 5 minutes to 10 minutes to feel better. I can guarantee. And if you have this practice in the morning, and your whole day is going to go so well, right? And your body just feels way better. and you just interrupt your thought patterns, right? Of around the pain in your body. So those are three things I would do if I experience chronic pain. Right, number one, I stop telling the old stories to anybody. Right? Actually, you want to tell yourself it never happened. This is one of the affirmations. Right? Number two, you want to make a decision to feel better, to feel completely pain-free. And number three, to have a consistent mindfulness practice every day. And in the meditation, you want to use affirmation or imagination. Right? So now, and let's conclude this video with some affirmations you can use in your daily meditation, right, to have a pain-free body. I am a pure, whole, and perfect. My body is strong and healthy. My body is pure, whole, and perfect. That instant never happened. And my body is restored to health and harmony. Every cell, joint, nerve, muscle, and a tissue of my body are made to be pure, whole, and perfect. And is done. My perfect body is here and now. I am perfect. My body is perfect. Thank you for listening, and I hope this video bring you ease and peace and harmony in your body. Namaste.